Hello, my name is Rochelle Polini. My PCI project is called Kids Helping Kids Help Themselves. It is a tutoring program that gives students who are doing well in their classes the opportunity to help students who may not be doing as well. The idea originated when the Board of Education decided to stop allowing us to offer study halls to students. We have many kids at our school who take multiple AP classes, honors courses, and students who need extra help but don't necessarily qualify for special education services. There is no time throughout the day where the students can go to their teachers to ask for extra help or get clarifications on things such as assignments, upcoming tests, and quizzes. It is my opinion that these students should be given an opportunity to get extra help in order to succeed in their classes. The main goal of this project was to better equip students to excel in the classroom by building self-esteem and competency. By building competency in the classroom, students are more likely to participate in class, therefore becoming more engaged students. Another goal of the project was to train future leaders to help teach and lead their peers. Throughout the project, I conducted multiple surveys. The surveys showed me not only the progress each student was making in class, but also the progress we were making in their attitude about school in general. When looking at data, the students who were in the program increased their grade by 9%. While 9% seems high, after talking to some of the teachers, we concluded that this large increase was due to the fact that students were turning in more completed work than they had prior to the program. To me, this shows that the students were making more of an effort and are starting to care more about their grades.